Men over 60, 3 teas that boost energy and bedroom performance naturally. If you're a man over 60 and you've noticed a dip in your energy or bedroom performance lately, you're not alone. In fact, what you're experiencing is more common than most men are willing to talk about. But here's the good news. There are natural ways to restore that strength, that spark, that confidence. And believe it or not, something as simple as tea, yes, tea, can become one of your most powerful allies in this stage of life. Because the truth is, your body is always trying to work with you, not against you, but it needs the right tools. And the problem today isn't just aging, it's inflammation, stress, poor circulation, and nutrient depletion. These are silent enemies that slowly chip away at your energy, your libido, and your drive. But the right kind of tea, sipped consistently, can help reverse those patterns. It's not about drinking just any tea, it's about choosing the right ones. Teas that are rooted in science and tradition and that target the exact issues you're facing right now. Let's break it down. Your energy and bedroom performance rely on a few key systems: healthy testosterone levels, strong circulation, low stress, and mental clarity. When those systems are running smoothly, you feel alive. You feel like yourself. But when they get out of balance, when your blood flow slows, when your cortisol is high, when your hormones get sluggish, you can feel like a shell of the man you used to be. That's where these teas come in. And today I'll share 3 powerful ones that have helped thousands of men regain their vitality naturally and without pills. The first tea you need to know about is ginger tea. Now, I know that might sound simple, maybe even a little boring, but ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to male vitality. It's been used for centuries across cultures to treat fatigue, boost libido, and stimulate circulation. What makes it so effective is its ability to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body, including the areas where it matters most for bedroom performance. One study even showed that ginger can significantly increase testosterone levels and sperm quality in men over time. But it doesn't stop there. Ginger tea also works as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to lower chronic pain, stiffness, and joint fatigue that often hold men back from physical activity. Plus, it boosts digestion and metabolism, giving you more steady energy throughout the day. The best way to take it? Slice up a few pieces of fresh ginger root, boil it in water for 10-15 minutes, and drink it warm in the morning or before bed. You can add a little honey and lemon if you like. And if you do this daily, you may start to feel a change, not just in your energy, but in your desire. Next up is something a little more exotic, but deeply effective: ginseng tea. Now, not all ginseng is created equal, but if you go for high-quality Panax ginseng, also known as Korean red ginseng, you're tapping into one of the most powerful natural adaptogens in the world. Adaptogens are herbs that help your body handle stress, balance hormones, and boost stamina. And Panax ginseng has a special relationship with male performance. In fact, clinical studies have shown that ginseng improves erectile function in men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction without the side effects of medication. What makes it work so well is how it influences nitric oxide levels in your blood, allowing vessels to relax and improve flow. That means stronger, more consistent performance and quicker recovery. Ginseng also supports healthy testosterone production, boosts your immune system, and enhances cognitive function. It's ideal for men who feel physically drained, mentally foggy, or sexually disconnected. You can find ginseng tea in health stores or online. Just make sure it's pure and not mixed with artificial ingredients. Brew it in the morning for an energy lift or before an intimate evening for a performance boost. The third tea on this list might surprise you, but it's one of the most overlooked natural tools for men over 60. Maca root tea. Maca is a root vegetable from the Andes Mountains, and while it's more commonly consumed in powder form, it can be brewed into a warm, earthy tea that delivers serious benefits for your energy and libido. Unlike caffeine-based energy drinks that spike and crash, maca works by supporting your endocrine system, especially your adrenal and pituitary glands, helping to regulate hormones and improve stamina. What men love most about maca tea is how it restores drive. Not just physical, but emotional and mental drive too. It's known for increasing libido, improving erectile function, and even boosting mood. Studies have shown that men who take maca consistently report higher energy levels, better performance, and improved overall well-being. It's caffeine-free, so you can enjoy it any time of day. To brew maca tea, use maca root slices or powder in hot water and steep for 10-15 minutes. Some even blend it with cinnamon or cacao for added warmth and richness. Now here's what's important to remember. These teas aren't magic pills. They're not going to flip a switch overnight, but when used consistently and combined with healthy habits, they work with your body, not against it, to bring back the vitality you thought was fading. They're gentle, powerful, and supportive in a way that feels good. No pressure, no chemicals, no shame. So how do you bring them into your daily life? Start simple. Choose one tea to try first, maybe ginger, since it's so widely available, and drink it once a day for a week. Pay attention to how your body feels. Then try adding a second one, rotate them, mix them, or find a routine that feels natural. And if you want to go a step further, drink one in the morning for energy and another at night for recovery. Think of it as a quiet ritual, something you do for yourself that says, I'm still here, I still care about my body, I still want to feel alive. Because at this stage of life, it's not about chasing youth, it's about honoring your vitality. You don't need to prove anything to anyone, but you do deserve to feel strong, clear, and connected. These teas are just tools that remind your body how to work for you, not against you. And the best part, you're not adding more pills to your shelf, you're sipping something warm, something natural, something rooted in centuries of wisdom and backed by modern science. And remember, your energy and bedroom performance are deeply connected. They're not separate issues. When you feel good physically, your confidence returns. When your blood flows freely, your thoughts are clearer. When you nourish your body with the right things, teas, foods, habits, you unlock a version of yourself that still burns bright beneath the surface. So here's your challenge. Pick one tea today. Try it tonight. And ask yourself tomorrow morning, do I feel even just 5% better? That 5% adds up, it grows, it builds momentum, and before long, you're not just sipping tea, you're reclaiming the fire that life tried to dim quietly, naturally, powerfully. And hey, if you found this video helpful, I'd love for you to do 3 simple things. First, hit that like button. It helps this message reach more good men like you. Second, subscribe to the channel so you never miss another tip that could improve your energy, health, or confidence. And third, drop a comment below. Which tea are you going to try first and why? Let's support each other in this journey to staying strong, connected, and full of life at every age. Because you're not done yet, not even close.